Today I'm showing you how to make banana chips 2 ways. You can either bake the chips in the oven or use a much healthier way to preserve the nutrients, which is to keep the bananas raw and use a dehydrator. Hi, Catherine here from greenthickies.com, and I help busy people to reach their ideal body weight in the most nutritionally sound way imaginable while avoiding hunger by making and eating fast, healthy, delicious food on the go. After having a baby, I had piled on 5 dress sizes and I was no longer able to follow time-consuming diets as I literally had no spare time or energy. This is what led me to inventing the Green Thickie recipe, which is a complete meal green smoothie that provides all of your nutritional needs. When you drink this for breakfast, and potentially also for lunch, you will satisfy your sweet tooth, reduce cravings and eliminate hunger while dramatically increasing your energy levels. By drinking Green Thickies, I quickly dropped the weight and had enough energy to enjoy looking after my baby. I've also helped thousands of people turn over a new leaf and reach their ideal weight in the healthiest way possible by making this simple change in their diet. Best of all, it's long-lasting. I've been drinking Green Thickies every day for over 7 years now and I feel better than ever. If you want to get started by making your first Green Thickie recipe, you can get my free recipe card at greenthickies.com/basic or click the link below. All of my recipes are made using easy to find ingredients that you can get locally. Now that we've been introduced, let's get to the content. Who doesn't like banana chips? They are the perfect candy because they're made from fruit, which is incredibly nutritious. Snacking on banana chips will stop you from binging on other, more unhealthy snacks. The only problem with banana chips that you buy in the stores is they're usually coated in some kind of unhealthy syrup or refined sugar. This will give you blood sugar spikes and be damaging for your health. It's actually really fast and easy to make your own banana chips. I mainly make these for my kids, especially my son who doesn't really like eating that much fresh fruit. He doesn't like eating fresh bananas, but he adores these banana chips, and he could easily eat 2 to 3 bananas just in chip form. So once a week I just prepare a batch of these from all my unripe bananas. I usually fill my whole dehydrator with these, and I might use about 80 bananas in one batch. It sounds like a lot, but I've got a really great technique now that enables me to prepare a large batch very quickly. And I'll show you how to do that now too. Because using a dehydrator preserves most of the nutrients, that is my favourite method. I highly suggest saving up for a dehydrator as you can get a really good one for quite a reasonable price now. I'll leave links to the dehydrator that I use under the video. Banana chips recipe. Ingredients. As many ripe bananas as you'd like to use that will fill your dehydrator or oven. I suggest starting with 5 bananas. Cinnamon powder, which is optional. Instructions. Peel the bananas and slice them fairly thinly, about 1/4 inch slices. Try and get them all similar sizes, otherwise some will be ready and others will need longer. This is not so much of an issue in the dehydrator, but it does mean that the thinner bananas will become much harder than the thicker bananas. To avoid this problem, I use my Perfect Banana Slicer, available in the Magical Life of Fruit store. All you do is you put the peeled banana underneath it and push down. The slices of bananas are all cut at the same time and they are all the same width. You can get really fast at this very quickly using this tool. Lay out all of your banana slices on your dehydrator tray or non-stick oven mat. It doesn't matter if the slices touch each other as they're going to shrink in size.
Of course you were there, head over heels. You begged me to come, I shouldn't take the chance, but he is not you, I can stop comparing. Oh,
Sprinkle the slices with cinnamon if you're using it. You could also use carob or cacao powder instead of the cinnamon. Dehydrate for about 24 hours at 115 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 45 degrees Celsius, until the bananas are at your desired hardness. The harder they become, the longer they will last, so it depends on what you prefer. You can also bake them in the oven at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 105 degrees Celsius, for 2 to 3 hours. But check on them every half an hour to see how well they are cooking, as you might need to remove them earlier than planned. You can store the banana chips in a sealed container at room temperature for up to 3 months, depending on how much moisture was removed during the baking. Another variation is to slice the bananas lengthways, which makes great banana slices for cinnamon rolls. I'll leave the link to my recipe below. Please follow me on Instagram at Green Thickies. I share some great information and inspirational posts on there to help you learn more about nutrition and be inspired to take action every day. You can also find Green Thickies on Pinterest and Facebook. And don't forget, all of the full posts, including printable recipes, can be found on the website greenthickies.com. And from here, you can also check out the special offers in the Green Thickies store. Until next time. Make it green, make it thick, making healthy habits stick. Lots of leafy love.